In this video, I show you how to fix the first Descendant not receiving caliber or currency. If you want to fix this issue, you can consider these options. Number 1. Check for game updates. Ensure your game is up to date with the latest patch. Update can fix bugs. Number 2. Restart the game. Close and reopen the game. This sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Number 3. Verify game files. If you are on PC, verify the integrity of your game files through the platform like Steam. Number 4. Check server status. Verify if the game servers are experiencing any issues or maintenance. Number 5. Check in-game mailbox. Sometimes items like caliber or currency might be delivered through the in-game mailbox. Number 6. Contact support. If the issue not solved, reach out the First Descendants customer support. Provide detailed information about the problem. Then they can solve your problem. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.